In a proactive move towards environmental cleanliness, the Khasi Autonomous District Council, through its Solid Waste Management Cell, initiated a pivotal project with the foundation stone laid for the construction of a recovery centre at Mawlai Mawroh. Simultaneously, the Chief Executive Member of the Khadc, Mawroh'S aim, alongside the Council's Land Executive Member, Tebor Pathau, and Sanitation Department's in charge, Victor Rani, inaugurated the Food Fest at Mawroh Secondary School. Wanshan Kharkrang, the advisor of the Solid Waste Management Cell of the Khadc and State Pollution Control Board officer, revealed that following discussions with NGT members, he collaborated with the Khadc, traditional leaders and various Darbar Shnong to jointly uphold cleanliness and hygiene standards within the Khadc's jurisdiction. Addressing the audience, Tebor Pathau, the MDC from Mawlai and also executive member of the Khadc, emphasized on Mawroh'S potential to serve as a shining example for other localities, highlighting waste collection as a crucial step towards maintaining a pristine environment. As the chief guest, Mawroh'S aim, chief executive member of the Khadc, expressed his hope for all localities to strictly adhere to the Council's environmental cleanliness directives. He also announced that officials involved would undergo training on the treatment plant's operation before the pilot project's implementation.
Ngidon kumba khat sau spa nrupo sautuli ki dorbashnong tedengi khenlang bat ikwewe ki hima hapo kajingpet jongka KHDC ngidon kumba sanpu sautuli ki hima temdunai kalai hajar teli ki shnong te kamde kaba sok ya kaba ngin korbar ya baro kini ki shnong let's say so ban penpau pat ya kajingkemen namar sekar shnong Mawroh kandai ka wei na ka shnong na padang kini ki lai hajar ki ban sedang ya kenika pilot project hakabede jingkhut jing subah te kumbala yo jing pensyai ni ba wanshan ngi suthu ba ka jing thmu jongka sarkar jela bat nakaliang jungi kum ka district council hadir mengila yo ya kenika ak ya ka bangin pentrekam kala long ke Asia ka jing bakhli ka bakhya hanu kata-kata namar mentala dengan kren sepang ka jing jing ki dorbar shnong ngi kren sepang ka jing ki isu ki babun ki mat jingatai haba don hayeng ha jaka pa ha office rekam ha kanono jaka ngi kum ki noi lam shnong ni iba ki ju kren sepang tang arteli kita ka wei kalong ha ki kren sepang ko umbam umdi ba ka baar ki kren sepang ka khoi ka subah te ladangi phai ka jing khoi jing subah sultanat babun hina kilang ki dorbar shnong hapo sorshilong ki persyangkat bala ben be ya kani da ka ba lumthup ya kinyut lingba ki kali ki baki don haki shnong bakin lum naman ki yeng naman ki jaka ban libu sepok maten te kamkut tang kata ka jingkit khli hangi kum kinongelam jong ka council kalong ba ngin ha perkhat saya ka koi ka kharu om tang ban khoi hasnong kalabyang henringi ha perkhat ya jing khut jing ka jing koi jing kha wat hakini ki dumping ground dan ki landfill ki bangidon kum ka martin namar baling ba kan ni jing lumthup ikinyut lesikin mi shibun ki jing pang kin kharoi shibun ki jing sneu nakini ki jaka ya kaban kan kata hi ngi ki khun benreu te nakaliang jungi ngi iba let's say la dengimla ban weng shisundan ni kum kini ki jing kala wat ban kata wat ko umbam umdi ka bangi ni penankam